ये जो दुनिया है ना, दुनिया, ये एक नहीं 3 दुनिया है। सबसे ऊपर स्वर्गलोक जिसमें देवता रहते हैं, बीच में धरती लोक जिसमें आदमी रहते हैं, और सबसे नीचे पाताल लोक जिसमें कीड़े रहते हैं।
Patal Lok, Amazon's latest installment, has only one motive to its viewers. But before that, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel. 2020 has become the year of lockdown due to pandemic named Corona. And thanks to platforms like Amazon and Netflix, the series of lockdowns are feeling less tiring. Patal Lok is bound to be a hit among the audience before it even comes. The gritty nature of this crime thriller does unsettle the audience with its violence and theme. The story told here did not disappoint the audience as the danger feels so real. It divides our society into the classes and shows how these classes interact with each other. The story starts with 4 people got caught red-handed by the Delhi police for conspiracy to murder big shot journalist Sanjeev Mehra. And the case comes to our unsung hero Hathiram Chaudhary. He is always craving about his work and not a happy family man either. His son looks after him as a loser, and his wife promotes various schemes launched by her unwelcome brother-in-law. In another way, the life is missing from Hathiram's boring life. His only way to relieve himself to solve the case with ease. But this one time in his life probably he starts seeing things. He is not functioning the way his superiors want him to be. And our Desi detective starts revealing unpleasant truths. Those truths bring us the dark past of the 4 accused. The horrific incidents are disturbing in nature and may force you to look away from the screen. Each class takes the favor of this situation unabashedly. The parallel stories of human relationships are a bonus to this crime thriller. The acting are top notch. A special nod to Jaideep Ahlawat to bring life to Hathiram. From the dialogue delivery to the way he is walking promises us something special, and we are not disappointed. Neeraj Kavi as Sanjeev Mehra shows the class he has, but the surprise package is Abhishek Banerjee as Vishal Tyagi. His silence is so creepy that you will end up craving more out of him. The camera work is close to the subject here, which makes the acting tougher. And here the excel of the director duo comes to the picture. Proshit Rai, Avinash Arun and writer Sudeep Sharma weave a slow burn thriller. This is undoubtedly posing a hard challenge to Netflix Sacred Games. This drama asks one question to its audience: how long one will act blindly in this democracy. It's a 5-star show, strongly recommended to the mature audience only. Do press the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.